Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. As you can see in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to actually claim and hold Babytether token worth 500 million units. You heard me right. Now this is a new token, a new promising token. It's a decentralized financial protocol designed to deploy contract to the Binance Smart chain, as well as other decentralized exchange running on it. Now, as you can see, we'll be claiming 500 million of this token. Now, and at the point of making this video, we have about 21 days and 16 hours for the airdrop and presale to actually end. Now, it said refer to get 30% BNB plus 70% Babytether back to your trust wallet. That is for those of you that will be joining their referral program. That's what you should do. For you to do that, to get your unique referral link, you have to paste after you've claimed the token. Remember, you have to claim the token. If not, it's not going to work. So you have to claim the token first. After you've claimed the token, then you copy your BEP20 wallet address and paste it in this place that you are seeing. You paste it here, as you can see. You paste it here like this. You paste this here. Once you paste it there, then you click get link. Then once you click get link, your unique link will be generated, and then you can click this copy link and copy it, then share it with your loved ones, maybe in social media like Facebook, TikTok, all the rest. Share it out there. Then once anybody buy through your link, then you get 30% BNB and 70% Babytether back to your wallet. That's wonderful. Now let's head for today's activity, which is claiming the 500 million baby token. Now let me rephrase this. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and also subscribe to my Telegram channel, so that you can get, you can be up to date about this token. Because as you can see, you have 21 days and 16 hours. The mistake some of you make is that once you claim the token, you leave it in your wallet, and you are not updated about the token. Now, I want you to understand is that in the next 21 days, 16 hours, liquidity will be added to this token. And once it is added, you have to be fast so that you swap the token to your own, to the one that you want. Now, to another currency, maybe you can swap it to BNB, USDT, Ethereum, so on and so forth. Now, if the thing is, if you are not up to date and you did not swap the token at that particular time, liquidity might finish, and once liquidity finish, it might take some time to refill the liquidity. So therefore, you have to wait. So you have to be on time, you have to be updated, you have to be right there at that moment so that you can swap it quickly to the currency that you want. Okay, so you have to be updated. So I will be dropping the information on my YouTube channel and also in my Telegram channel on the day, maybe 1 hour to the swap, so that you'll be updated. So it will do you well to subscribe to my channel, to my YouTube channel, and also my Telegram channel. So that is it for this video. Let us go straight to claiming it. And so as you know, these are the people that are backing this token up. You have the Bscan, the GitHub, the pancakeswap, the Trust Wallet itself. Now we'll go straight into claiming this token by copying the link address. I'll go straight into our Trust Wallet. Yes, we input our PIN. We'll go straight into the dApp, as you already know. But for those of you that don't know, you have to click your dApp, paste the address there, then search. Now, like I always say, always remember to change network from Ethereum to Smart Chain to avoid paying huge gas fee. Okay, so we'll just click there, then change it to Smart Chain, allow it to load. Okay, now the next thing we'll do now is click the claim button. So click the claim button, will allow it to connect with our wallet. As you can see, it's asking us to connect to our wallet. We just grant it by connecting it. To allow it to load. So as you can see, we'll be paying the sum of $1.33 to claim this token. And the fee, the network fee is 0.22 cent. That to me, that is okay by, it's okay by me, yes, because considering what we'll be getting. So what we're just going to do is we'll just go ahead and click approve. Just go ahead and click approve. As you can see, it's loading. Yes, our Babytether token has been claimed successfully, as you can see from the screen. As you can see from the screen, it's been claimed. And this is the amount we've claimed. Yes, that's the amount we've claimed. So all we have to do now is click the exit and go back to the site. Now, our token will not be there. All we have to do now is click the contract address, copy the contract address, which I will drop in the link in the description. Then go back to our wallet. We'll click this two dot here. Let me go back for those of us that are new. I always do it here. You click that side. Once you click it like this, you scroll down till you get to the add custom token. Then you click the add custom token, change network from Ethereum again to smart chain. Then all you have to do now is click paste. Good. The name, the symbols, the decimals will appear. As you can see, we have name to Babytether, symbols, Babytether, that's together, then decimal is 18. Now all we have to do now is click done for our token to appear. So click done for our token to appear. Now, as you can see, we have our token right there in our Trust wallet. As you can see, our token right there in our Trust wallet. That means we've claimed it successfully. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually get your unique link. What you have to do now is click the receive button, copy our BEP20 address, then go back to the D app, go back to the main site. Now once you are in the main site, you go down to the referral, get referral link. Like it say, you paste your BEP20 address there, click the get link. As you can see, our unique link has been customized for us. As you can see the link, you click here. Then the next thing you do now is click copy. Now all we have to do now is click copy. Then as you can see, we've copied it successfully. Say link copy successful. Press OK. Then we can now share it with our friends, loved ones on the Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, all the rest. Okay. Now you get. Now I have done my research about this token, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I just be telling you that before you invest into any token, take your time to research about it. Then you decide if you want to partake in their presale or just claim the airdrop. For me, this token is legit enough for me, so I'll be partaking in their presale. Okay. Now, for those of us that have not subscribed, are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and also click the thumbs up button and share the video to your loved one. And also don't forget to join our Telegram group to get exclusive information of things that I do not make video for. That is it for this video. Thank you. See you next time.